going on, everybody? Welcome to Stock Sniper Trading London session. What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone's having a good morning. It's Ronnie. Let's get started, guys. Let's get these London pips. Stabo, what's going on? Mariano, Simone, what's going on? Guys, you guys had a wicked session with Dave. A wicked session. A lot of pips. Guys, so right now we're going to look at gold, okay? So you guys were trading it with Dave. You guys got the nice W breakout right here. Really nice uptrend. It got overextended and then finally it started to retrace back and pull back right now. This candle right here was London open right here. This is 3 a.m. Came all the way down. We wicked right here and came all the way back up. Okay, so real quick, guys, I'm just going to chart this for us and then we're going to get started, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good morning and let's see what happens. London last night was real choppy. If you guys were with us, we had to wait 90 minutes to get a trade because I'll show you guys the trade that we did last night, guys. But we got 55 pips out of gold. It was a nice sell, but we had to work for it, guys, last night. It took some time to develop, guys. Okay, that's back here. I'll show you guys the trade last night that we did. But let's go, guys. Yeah, what's going on? Make it nice. Babylon, what's going on? Idris, what's up, bro? Noor, I'm still on Dave's gold sell call. Nice. So you need it to break down here. You need it to break below 1730 to continue downtrend. But let's see what's happening with gold, guys. And then we're gonna look at US30 and we'll do some currency pairs, guys, because I know some of you guys are in the funding talents and you guys can't trade cryptos and gold right now. So we'll do GJ and we'll do something else, okay? But let's look, just so you guys know, when we broke out here, okay, so gold broke out around 1729 and it was in this big uptrend. This was all Tokyo session, making higher highs and higher lows, and then it got up to 1735. 1736, guys, if I go to my hourly candles, 1736 is hourly support resistance right up here. Okay, just before we get into it, guys, I'll show you right here because I'm going to get rid of all this. This was last night's London session, guys. I just want to show you guys what happened with London last night, okay? So we started the call over here. This is 3 a.m. And you see how gold was, we didn't take any of these trades. We boxed all this price action in, and we had to wait till 4:30, 90 minutes in this chop session. Finally, we got that break, and then we got these nice two bearish candles coming down for 55 pips. So that was London last night, but we had to wait for that. It took a while for that to develop, guys. But thankfully we got it. We'll see what happens tonight, guys. Okay, guys, so gold it's finding a little bit of a bottom. Okay, this was the London session open, a very impulse break candle coming down, wicked out down here. Okay, and then the momentum pushed up. So what we can see right now is I can see really fast right now, if we start to push up on gold, okay, it could be developing a little bit of a W pattern down here. Okay, where it came down here, leg one, here's our neckline, leg two. Okay, this was open candle. This was a little aggressive candle. That's where they wicked it out. Okay, but right here it should have made a nice double bottom, and now we could be moving up for the next leg up. So we need to break up here, guys. 1732.50. If we break up there, we're going to come up to 1733.40, and then possibly we can get back up to 1735 and we can retest the highs, okay? But if we start getting rejected here, then we're going to see gold bounce back down here and possibly break the 200, and we're going to come down here, okay? So right now, guys, we're going to see, we're going to box this area in right here, okay? And we're going to see what happens up here, okay? So price action is moving, guys. And we are in a little bit of an uptrend, okay? I'm not looking at that impulse break candle, okay? I'm not interested in that, okay? That was just market open, that was volatility. I look at the volume now, okay? So volume stayed up here. there was a indecision candle, and now we're making our way up. So all we got to do now is get through this order flow zone, and we'll see if we continue to go bullish, and we're going to break up to 1733.40, or if we start getting rejected here, then we could start to look for a sell when we break this trend line. Okay. But guys, we're gonna have some fun tonight. So everybody, 26 viewers, thank you guys. It's London session. Hit the like button, guys. Let's get trending. Tonight we're gonna go for about 2 hours, 90 minutes, hour and a half, 5 a.m. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of sleep because I'm gonna wake up and we're gonna do New York too. Okay. So last night was like a marathon. I went 5.5 hours. I started getting burnt out at the end, and then Dave had to take over New York for me. So that's why it's good to have like a partner, a brother, and then we work together, guys. Around the clock pips, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We'll see what happens. Okay. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient. We don't need to rush anything. Okay. Because you've seen last night's call, and I'm happy that you guys are getting good education out of these, because you're starting to see how you need patience in these markets, especially with this volatility. So guys, look at, we're getting rejected there. So this is going to be right here. This will be sell entry if we can break down here. Guys, like there's a lot of traders that love to trade wicks up here. They love trading wicks. So guys, we'll teach you all the styles how to trade. Because when you start to see it getting rejected up here, you could start to take the trade coming down, okay? And then just place your stop loss up here. But that's all depends on the type of trader that your style, that your comfort level is. Okay, that's this like quick rapid scalping. Okay, but right here we're looking for a breakdown right here at 1730.81. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this area, and we could be pushing down right here, guys. Okay, gold could be breaking down right here at this level. Okay, so what I'm looking for is this, guys. Get ready. Okay, this could be our impulse candle breaking down. Okay, get ready, guys. This area, okay, 1730.80, okay. Okay, and if it just wants to bounce around in here, it can bounce around. Okay, we'll allow it. Okay, it's got still. It had that volatility right there, but you see how now we're trading sideways in here. Okay, so we're going to allow the price action to do what it's got to do in here, and then we're going to look for either buys if it breaks up here, or we're going to look for some sells down here, because we could possibly come back down and fill this wick down here. We could come easily down to 1729, break below there. Okay, so guys, get ready. And always look at your spreads on your brokers, okay? Because sometimes the spreads they start moving really fast. Guys, thanks for joining, guys. 38 of you guys, for real. We appreciate this, guys. This could be the impulse candle breaking down right here. And then, guys, I use RSI on my chart, okay? You guys all know that it's a strength momentum indicator. It oscillates between 0 and 100. I put a psychological 50 line right in the middle. We are below it, and I can see if we start to break down here, we need to break that low of that RSI, just like a support level. There we go. Okay, so this is the impulse candle breaking down, guys. We got 45 seconds. Okay, so let's wait and see how the candle is going to close. Is the volume going to close below this area, 1730.81? Okay, let's take a look, guys. Okay, so this is an impulse candle, guys. If you want to trade impulse candles, you can take them. But we're also trading retest confirmation candles. Okay, so it's coming down, guys, real nice. Okay. And if you want to scale in these impulse candles, use a smaller lot size than your normal lot size is, because it's kind of like a feeler trade. We're feeling it out, and then we'll grab the retest with the confirmation with your normal lot size. But sometimes these don't come down bearish like this. They wake up. Look how they gapped it down. Okay, so now we have buyers stepping up, guys. This is going to be our retest candle, so get ready. We want to see a wick form up here on this bearish body, and we want to see sellers pushing it down. So right now they got it down below that 5-minute level. This is my 5-minute support from right here, 1730 exactly, guys. We're getting rejected here. Okay, So it's starting to get rejected, and we're below now. This yellow line is the 200-day EMA, exponential moving average, okay? So if we get the price action below the 200, then we could possibly push down further, guys, okay? So if you took this trade right now, if you got in on the impulse, guys, place stop loss above this consolidation zone and you should be safe. There's our retest going down, guys, okay? This is like confirmation now, okay? So we're holding here still, okay? 1 minute into the candle. Now let's watch, guys. You got to be patient with these things. We're trading 5-minute candles, okay? So a lot can happen in 5 minutes, guys. But the longer we hold this resistance, then the better it's going to be. And now we got the volume below the 200-day. All we need is a push down to fill this wick right here, okay? So we could come down right now, fill this wick right here. And if we break 1728.83, guys, then we could start to come down to this W pattern where you guys started to break out with Dave in Tokyo, okay? So you see now, like if you use fib retracements, your Fibonacci tool, you can start to see that we could be retracing all the way back where the breakout was, okay? This could be like a full 100% retracement, okay? So I'm just getting levels now where like if we start to break down, we could be looking for profits down here, okay? We could, if we break right here, guys, 1728, we could see momentum come all the way back down to 1727 over here, okay? But you see, it's fighting with this 200. Okay, the buyers of gold are trying to get the price action back above the 200. Okay, because they want to reverse this. They want to reverse this. But let's see the overall, like the hourly candles, everything. Okay, so hourly candle. This is our new hour candle right here. Okay, so you can see we retested and it's got a bearish body. Okay, the wick came down here, and our hour candle broke 50 RSI too. Okay, so we could be coming down. It's 30 minutes into our hourly candle, but we'll see if it finds a bottom. Okay, so far it's getting support. But as long as we stay below this area, okay, we'll be safe for bearish momentum tonight, okay? But if this green candle comes back up in here and breaks through here, yeah, we'll be looking for buys up there, okay? We will be looking for buys in this area, but I can start to see that order flow, sell orders are already being supply is got a demand up here, okay? The supply orders, you can see they're filling. Every time price action gets up there, it gets rejected, okay? But now we have buyers buying at the 200, okay? We got to see now, we're following this volume. I want to see if sellers can hold it here and start to push this down. And guys, right after this, we'll chart US30 and we'll do a currency pair, guys, okay? We can do that real quick right now. Let's do US30 because I don't want to miss any US. Oh man, we missed US30's move. Shit. Okay, guys, that's why we got to be quick on London, okay? Because London makes moves, guys. Yeah, I seen it. US30 is making moves right here, guys. Okay, so let me just chart this real quick. Okay. Wow, you look at all of this support here, guys, okay? If US30 loses all of this, oh man, we're gonna have a free fall, okay? Guys, let me know if you guys are in the US30 sell. Did you guys hop in on this? Okay, so if you guys are in on this, I'm going to chart this for all of you guys. I didn't get in. I was looking at that gold, guys. Okay. You guys are quick. Snipers are quick tonight. Okay. Okay, guys, if you get a good break here, 35,224. This thing can fall, guys. Okay, get ready. Okay, it's got a lot of support here. Okay, it bounced over here. Okay, at 8:55 9 p.m. Bounce broke out. Okay, bounce broke out, guys. If you get right now a nice technical breakdown right here, this is going to drop down to, we're going to come down to 35,216, 35,209, and 35,200. Okay, but remember, guys, if you're in the sell from up here, I don't know where you guys are in, secure some profits, because this could be a triple bottom. We've had one, two times where we've bounced up, but get ready for, watch the volume to break below here. We got 3 minutes and 50 seconds left on this candle. All we need is here. This is a critical hourly level, 35,225. Okay. But guys, we have a wick and a wick, so scale out a little bit, guys, because this could reverse. Okay. Could reverse, but let's wait for the volume to close as well. But secure some profits if you guys are, like, if you guys took the sell right here, man, this was a good trade, guys. Gold is going bullish, guys. Gold is going bullish. Okay, gold's coming up to our zone here, guys, so we could be looking for a buy up here, guys. Just wait, let's see what happens if it gets rejected into this area or if it breaks out, guys. So a buy on gold, we're looking for a buy up here. Okay, guys, but this is going to be an impulse candle, guys. We're not going to trade impulse candles, okay? Because gold is funny sometimes, okay? It just wants to break out and fake out. We're not going to get shaked out, guys, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to wait for a break with a retest, okay? And what I mean by that, guys, is we're going to look for a break up here, okay? Possibly touch this wick, maybe that wick. We're looking for a break, and then we're looking for a pullback and then confirmation right here. 1732.50, that's a good area, that's a good entry area. And then we're looking for momentum to look like this, okay? So now we're breaking. This is the impulse break, guys. 2 minutes left on the candle, because it could also get rejected up here, okay? Remember, it could also get rejected in here, okay? Because the overall trend on gold is bearish, okay, from up here, 1735. It wrapped around, it made a lower high right here. It came all the way down, and this could be another lower high right here forming. But this looks like it's got momentum, okay, because now we're crossing above 50 on the RSI. We could be having some nice momentum, some strength here. We could be getting some gold buyers, guys. Guys, 56 viewers. Thank you, guys. We appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel, guys. We stream 2-3 sessions a day, guys. Me and Dave, we don't stop. We do London, Tokyo, New York, everything, guys. So it's just hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm gonna go back to right here, guys. This is for you guys in the US30. If we can get this volume, there we go. Okay, look at the push down. When we broke right here, guys, look at all we need out of this candle now is the volume to close below 35225. Okay, the volume closes below here. We could go down further. Okay, there we go. Look at that, beautiful, guys. Okay, congrats to all of you guys on the US30 sell. Okay, this is a big move, guys. Big move, okay? But watch for a wick down here, okay? Watch for a big wick, okay? Because, wow, this thing, look at the full retracement from over here, all of this, okay? This is nice. US30 for the win for London session, guys. Okay, so now you got buyers pushing it up, okay? Guys, there's 8 seconds left. What we need is volume to close below this white line. I don't want to see this volume come back up, okay? So it closed. Here's continuation, guys. What this candle could do is it's finding support right here, but we could come down to touch this wick right here. Okay, it breaks below that wick, it's going to test here. These red lines are like take profit areas. Okay, I got them from previous price action back here. Okay, but guys, do not get greedy. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles, guys. Okay, that's a complete 30-minute candle. That's bearish. If I go to my 30-minute candles right now, look at it. Okay, that's a 30-minute candle. What we need out of this, look at this 30-minute. It's coming down now. These are previous 30-minute candles. If we can fill these wicks, we get down to 35,209. We could possibly get down to that 3500, 200. But guys, it's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull up right now. Okay, so guys, if you're in good profits, scale out like 80-90%. Maybe leave a small runner because this thing could reverse on us. Okay. Guys, gold is going bullish. Gold is going bullish. Gold is going bullish. Okay, so we broke out of here. Okay, so it broke out. This is a retest candle. Okay, let's see if it comes back down to touch down here. If not, this thing is going to continue to move, guys. Okay, and next target for gold will be right here. And then, guys, this was with you guys, with Dave in London. This is how high you guys got up to, right up here. 1735. Guys, if we break above 1735 tonight, gold is going to move, okay? One second, guys. I will get to all of the all the chat. I'll get to all the comments in 1 second, guys. I apologize. Okay. I just want to follow this retest candle. Okay. Okay, so you see how it's coming down? It went up to 1733.42. That was this level right here, this resistance. Now we're coming down, okay? So price action may come down back down to this area where it will test for support now, okay? So what we're looking for is, it's a spin top candle now. Okay, so it's indecision right now. You have buyers push it up. Now you got sellers push it down. It's a thin body candle. You can see that there's not too much volume, but now the sellers are pushing it down. It wants to come maybe back down to this level where it broke out. Remember I told you this area? 1732.50. And if we start to hold here and we get more buying liquidity, we could possibly look for another buy entry on gold, and maybe we're going to take it up again, okay? So let me just go to US30 real quick. Okay, US30 is still coming down, but what we need to do is break this wick right here, 35,211. 35,211, guys. We traded US30 a few days ago, and 35,211 was like a magnet for price. I remember this. We took the buy when we broke out at 35,211. Okay, when you trade these pairs every day, day in and day out on 5 minutes, you will know where the daily support and hourly resistance are. I don't even need to look at the daily candles and hourly because we look at these things so much, guys. When you're a scalper, you're gonna get to know all of you're gonna like memorize the levels. Okay, but guys, just careful because there could be a pullback. I never buy on RSI when we go down to 30 because this shit can drop down to 25, 20, 10. Okay, but I'm just giving you guys heads up. It is approaching oversold area, and there is a lot of RSI buyers that do come in here. So just keep that in mind, guys. But this is still a heavy bearish candle coming down. Okay, less than 50 seconds. And we'll watch how it closes, okay? And then we can also pick up maybe a reversal if it starts to reverse. But maybe we're gonna get the markets sell off tonight. Futures are red, and maybe the markets continue drop going into New York tomorrow, okay? So we'll continue with this momentum, guys. I'm going to get up again and I'm going to do New York. I'm not going to do a full session like last night. I think I went 5.5 hours, but we'll do this session till about 5, and then I'm going to sleep for maybe 3.5 hours, and then we'll be back and we're going to do New York. And then we got a webinar at noon with the snipers, okay? So big day tomorrow, guys. But the US30 is looking good. See how it's coming down bearish engulfing? All it has to do is just take out this low. 35,211, okay? Now we got a green candle opening up, but a wick coming down. All you got to do is just break here, and that will go down. But watch for a reversal. I'm going to go back to gold, guys. Okay, so gold is retesting. There's our retest. Okay, so our bearish candle came down. We're holding right here, guys. So I'm going to go in for a buy. I'm going to feel this one out. I'm going to take a buy on gold here. I'm just going to take a normal lot size. Okay, nothing crazy. I just want to feel it out here. If it starts going up, continue to go up, maybe I'll add another one. But I'll place a stop loss accordingly. But it's just like a feeler trade, guys. Okay, it's a feeler trade. I'm going to keep a tight stop loss on this one because this could look like a head fake coming up and then they're going to bring it down. So this one is going to be with a really tight stop loss. Okay. I'm just telling you guys, like, full transparency. Normally I leave a wider stop loss, but this one, this could be a head fake candle. This green one coming up and then quickly got rejected and then now they're going to pound it down. Okay. I don't want to be part of that. So I'm in the buy right now on the retest, but I'm going to keep it with a tight stop loss. Okay, so US30, we got a green body at the bottom, which is expected, okay? But remember, guys, if you're in this trade, what you're looking for are the lower highs, okay? This could be a pullback, okay? Number one, remember this area? This was a key level, 35,225. So we may see the US30 pull back up to this area, and then what we're looking for is we want to see the order flow up here, where it's going to have some sell orders, lots of supply up here. So maybe when this pulls back up here, it's going to create a lower high, and then we're going to have a bearish candle coming down, and then US30 is going to drop even further. But if it breaks above this level, guys, then we could be looking for a reversal buy on US30, okay? So keep that in mind. Right here. Okay, this could be a buy area. But if it reverses, comes up here and gets rejected, this is going to come down further, and this could just be a pullback candle, okay? See how it's bouncing off 30? I told you, there's always going to be 30 buyers, 30 RSI buyers, okay? They love it. They love it. Anytime anything gets down to 30, they're always hitting the buy button. So that's why, guys, protect a little bit of your profits because we could be breaking this area and coming right up on US30, okay? But let's see here. Be patient, guys, because this is where the order flow is, okay? So we'll see. Can sellers hold this down, or is it going to start to break up? If it breaks up, it's going to come to this level, 35,234, and then it's going to come up to 35,249. Gold, guys, let's take a look. Okay, so gold, it's got a doji candle. It's indecision, thin body. Okay, so it's just cooling around inside this accumulation distribution area. Okay, this is where order flow is being fulfilled. There's a lot of buys and sells all in this area. Okay, but we're gonna watch it. Okay, guys, let me get to some of the comments. Oh man. Okay, so profit secured. Good. Frankie, what's going on, bro? Already secured profits. Okay, partials. That's good, guys. That's how you want to start your session. You guys want to secure some. It's nice. It's good for confidence. It's good for momentum. You start a session, you go up 10, 15, 20 pips, secure a little bit, okay? Yes, here we go. Okay, so that's a nice retest. All we need is gold to break above here, and then we can go up a little bit further, okay? So see how it came down, it tested, got some nice liquidity. We have a nice wick here, okay? So we're feeding off of this big green candle. This was a pullback. As long as the volume stays above here, guys, then we could possibly cool off up here, and then we can get more buyers into the market, and gold can head higher with a new higher high, okay? Thanks, guys. We appreciate, guys, all of you. 72 viewers. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. We couldn't have grown this channel without you guys, so we appreciate all of you guys. For real. You guys are amazing. Okay. Okay. So gold is holding right here. Okay, so we have our new candle. Okay, so the body, the volume closed above here. Okay, now we're gonna get a bearish candle coming down. Again, it wants to retest. Okay, but we got to hold this area. Okay, 1732.08. That's the previous low of our candle right here. Okay, so if we can stay above this area and pick up more liquidity, then we could see gold reverse come back up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got a nice wick right there. All we need is now some buying volume, and we got to take out this previous wick. Okay, and then we can start to move higher. Guys, I'm just trying to look at the chat. I'm trying to multitask. I'm trading. I'm looking at the chat. I'm doing everything here, guys. Yeah, gold has got its mind of its own. Okay. A-Rod, what's going on, bro? What trading concepts do you use? I don't trade. I don't even know what trading concepts are, bro. I just trade price action. Okay. I just trade candlesticks. We're candlestick traders. And I do use RSI just for momentum and strength. I throw the 200-day on the chart just to see if price action is above or below. But no real core trading concepts. Just trading real live price action. Okay. Price action is king. It's the best, especially when you're scalping it and you understand how it moves. Thanks for the subscription, bro. I appreciate that. What's take profit for gold? Well, all of these red lines are take profit areas, okay? So TP1 is right here, 1733.44. TP2 is 1734.33, and then TP3 plus is up here. Normally they're spaced apart in London session by 10 pips. Each take profit is 10 pips, okay? Wow, look at that rejection. Did you guys see that? Okay. Did you see how that was a big bearish candle come down? Look at where it got rejected. Right above this candle made a higher low, and then it turned into a hammer candle. Did you guys see that? Okay, it happened real quick. It was a red bearish candle. It looked like it wanted to break below here, and look at the buyers, how they stepped in, and all we got to do, guys, is just get above here. Can we get this momentum above here on gold, and then we can start to break out? Let me just go to US30. US30, okay, could be reversing here into a buy, okay? But also watch US30 getting up to 50, because if sellers hold it down here, then this is just going to be a pullback. We're going to see a rejection here, and we're going to see US30 fall, okay? But wait for this candle to close with the volume, okay? Don't just fall for a fake out here, okay? Because this could be a pullback, but wait, guys, just be patient. Wait for the volume to close. Okay, did you guys, let me know, did you guys see that red candle? It was red bearish. It looked like a bearish engulfing candle. As soon as it came down here, it flipped real fast. Okay, all we need, guys, is look at this break. If we can just break above here, okay, then we're going to here 1733.46, and then we could easily get up to 1734 in a corner, easy. Okay, this is the path to least resistance. Have you guys ever heard that term? Path to least resistance. All we have is this red candle, and we can go straight up. Okay, this could be a really nice move on gold. Yeah, Frank thought it was gonna stop you out, bro. I had my stop loss placed like right there too. I got saved by like a couple pipettes. Like, bro, that was wild, man. I had my stop loss placed like right below this consolidation box. When that candle was coming down, I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna get stopped out, and then they flipped it real quick. But what we need is, okay, we need to hold that volume up there, okay? We can't have sellers push it down. We got to keep volume. Guys, gold, we need to keep above 1732.50. That's a key area right up here. We got to keep volume above here, okay? If we're going to continue to move forward. US30, okay? I told you guys, be patient with US30. See how it broke out? That was the impulse, and then it's getting rejected, guys, okay? Let's see how this volume is going to close on US30. Guys, I will get to a FX pair one second, because I know you guys are in gold trades and you guys are in US30. Okay, again, it's coming down, testing this level again, okay? So it's going to test. Hopefully we can hold. More buyers can come in here, okay? This is a key area right here, 1732.06. Okay, again, we're getting these spin top candles. Indecision, guys. Gold doesn't know where it wants to go. Does it want to go up or down? Where does it want to go? Nobody knows, okay? All we know is that volume is still above that level, okay? So it's anybody. Anybody can take gold up, or sellers can come and take it down. When RSI is sitting right around 50, it's pure neutral territory. It's indecision, okay? But now we just need some nice bullish body, okay? It's holding. It's been maintaining up there, okay? David Goldstein, what's going on? Safe Moon reporting in. Welcome, Safe Moon. Welcome, Safe Moon. There we go. We need a push. That's the push we need, guys. Okay. Key level right here. Let's break this 1733.40, and then we're going to go up higher on gold, okay? There we go. Let's go. Push this shit up. See, but there's a lot of wicks up here. A lot of wick. You can tell that there's a lot of resistance up here, okay? Ton. Wow. Look at all that resistance, okay? Again, they're filling it, okay? Okay, so US30, guys, it's coming in here, okay? So that candle, look, the volume didn't close. Next one is coming up again, okay? So this one is our retest candle. This is a retest, okay? Okay, gold is moving, guys. Gold is moving. There we go. Come on. There we go. Just break above here, guys. And then we could easily come to 1734 in a quarter, okay? Very nice. There we go. 10 pip move, guys. 10 pips right there, okay? We need this breakout. Guys, if we can just push above this resistance right here, 1733.40, we could easily get up to 1734.28, okay? There it is. Come on, let's push. See the momentum? All we have to do is break the previous resistance on this RSI right here, okay? If we can get above 56 on RSI, we could easily get through this resistance right here. Ashwath, hey Ron, did you take a sell on the gold earlier? And yeah, I did. I took a quick sell, but it was a real, it was just a feeler trade, bro. It's not my normal lot size. It's just a small one. What I do is kind of a strategy I have. When markets open up, I put like a feeler trade out there. I like to see how they're moving, how the head fakes are. So it's kind of like just a feeler trade for me. I went in for a sell, and I got taken out, but it was just a small, like it's a quarter lot size. I normally trade with 1, 2, 5 lots. So when I see that the momentum switches, that's when I hammer it with a normal lot size. But normally when sessions open up, it's kind of like a chicken. I throw a chicken out there, and if it gets shot, it's shot. But if it moves, then I start hammering it with some good lot sizes. But yeah, it's a feeler trade, bro. I always do that with every session open. It's just a strategy personally I use, you know. I do that all the time. Like I took it right here. I took it as it was coming down. And then it was looking nice down here. I was in a little bit of profits, but then it just came right back up. But then I saw the momentum come up here. It starts to tell me that that was a fake out, that sell. Got a lot of support, and then could be wrapping around here and then into this buy up here, okay? And I got into this trade, and I'll show you guys. So guys, join the free Telegram group. I'll pin it in the chat, guys. We have a free Telegram group. 1 second, guys. Okay, and we still have that. We're still holding support on gold. Gold is still holding support. All we got to do is just break that resistance, and then we're going to go to our next level right here where my cursor is, 1734.30. Okay. What happened to the background music? I don't know. This stream deck is pissing Dave and I off. We're using it. Every time we use it, it cuts off. So we'll gotta fix it. We gotta go back in the lab and we gotta fix it. There we go, guys. Okay. Okay, so that candle closed. Now, guys, we got to follow off of this candle, okay? So they opened it up red. It's coming down. All we need to pick up a nice wick right here, okay? We got to pick up some support so that we can continue to push this up. Exactly where my cursor is, okay? Do you see where it is? We need to grab a wick right there at 1732.85. Okay, so we got to hold this area. This is nice if we can hold this. What it's doing is it's cooling off the RSI, and we could get increased momentum, increased buyers here. This could be new 5-minute buyers buying the higher low, okay? But again, it could come back down and test that level for support down here, 1732.48, okay? And guys, I took that candle up to there. And 10 pips, guys. I play 10 pips. Okay, I see it's a 10 pip box tonight. Okay, so it's going up 10 pips. It could come down 10 pips until we start to break out. Okay, but this is going to be a key area if we break out tonight. Okay, like what I mean by key area is if we can break out of there, we could easily come here and then we could hit the high what you guys had with Dave up here at 1735. Okay. So now it's consolidating. It's just consolidating in here now, okay? So see here, that's all that's going on now. It's consolidating. So gold is going to trade sideways in here. We could look for again another buy up here if we start breaking out, or we could look for a sell if they continue to bring it if they want to bring it down bearish and retest down here and down here. Okay, so gold again, it's choppy right now. Okay, it had its move where it came up here. Now it's getting into this choppy sideways trading. Here go, come on gold, you need a new Porsche. Yeah, man, if gold moves, you can get 2 Porsches tonight. But let's go. But when it's consolidating like this, there's nothing we can do, guys. There's nothing we can do. But let me go back to US30, guys. Okay, so US30 is coming into this area, okay, and but now it could be reaching this 200, okay, so keep an eye on this. This could be the pullback, and then it could come scale down again here, okay. Again, guys, when you're in this type of profits, you need to be scaling out a little bit, okay. Remember, I told you that. I don't ever want to see you guys get 20, 30, 40, 50 pips, and then you see a reversal come right back up and wash you out, okay? You don't ever want to have that happen. Everyone is waiting on gold, guys. Everyone is waiting. I know, including myself, okay? Okay, now now we flipped into, we have all we got to do is just flip this, okay? It's a dragonfly doji candle now. All we got to do is flip this into a hammer and get that volume up here. Break up here, guys, right here, these wicks. Just claim these wicks, and then we're going to see a nice move on gold, okay? Everyone's going to get a Porsche tonight on this call. Come on. Sometimes they tease us. Sometimes they tease us. Guys, 79 viewers. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're an old school cat, you've been here, you guys know the drill. Just hit the like button and help support the channel. Get us trending, because you guys will be trending with us, okay? You guys can grow the channel with us. Okay, so gold is just bouncing around, up and down, up and down. This is pure consolidation, guys. And then it could come down again, but this is our only support we have in here, okay? 1732.08, this wick and this wick. If selling pressure comes and we break down here, then it's going to come down bearish, unfortunately, okay? So we have to hold here and this area. US30, okay? So US30
is coming down bearish. Guys, we could get into another sell down here on US30, okay? So what this is this was the pullback. We have a bearish candle coming down. See the pullback? RSI got up to 50, came down, but now we're looking to break, okay? Up here. And then we could look for another buy up here, okay? I would be looking for another buy on US30 up here, okay? Yeah, guys, remember tomorrow morning, 8:30, there's CPI red folder in US news. So gold, exactly like A-Rod said, could be setting up for that. Absolutely. Um, but guys, you see this type of play here? See this zone I put here, 35225. I identified that this is a critical area. So when we broke down here, we got nice pips coming down, but I warned you guys that there is going to be a reversal. There is always those 30 RSI buyers, and then when it came breaking above 35225, then you get a bullish candle coming up to 240. Okay, so that's like a 10-15 pip candle. Okay, so for scalping, US30 is really nice for scalping tonight. You got really nice. Look at all this red candles, easy sell, and you walk it down. Lower lows, lower highs, no chop. See how nice that is? And then you look at gold, and then look at gold. Gold looks ridiculous here. Like this is tough to trade. So all we can do with gold is we'll take a sell down here, or we'll take another buy up here. That's all we can do with gold. Like look how nice US30 is moving tonight. Okay, you got nice moves. You got a nice pullback, and then we could be breaking down further and going down. Unless these buyers take above here, 35,240, then we're going to come back up on US30. Mighty Womack Basketball stumbled onto your live at 3:30 West Coast time last night morning. Your strategy worked for me all day. Yeah, no worries, guys. Believe me, we've been trading this style for years and years and years. We've made a good living off of this, and we're sharing the knowledge with you guys. So, but you guys you got to be patient, okay? Dave and I cannot teach you guys patience and discipline. That's something you got to learn on your own. Okay. Last night when we started London, gold traded sideways for 90 minutes. 90 minutes we had it boxed in a consolidation zone. Finally at 4:30 a.m. it broke down and we grabbed that sell for 55 pips. But we waited. We had to grind for those pips. So sometimes London session they move, sometimes they don't move. Like right now. Gold had its move, and now look at it. It's just trading sideways. Okay. Yeah, I guarantee you, Aces, bro. It's inches away from everybody's stop losses. Um, like my stop loss that I have I is just a partial runner. I took some profits when it went up to that. I just posted in that Telegram group, guys, because I scalp fast, but this is probably going to hit my partial runner stop loss right here. Okay, that's where I have it placed, right below there. Yeah, it's coming down. Guys, I'm going to post the Telegram link in the chat box. It's a free Telegram link if you're new to the channel. And I promise you guys, we'll do a currency pair, guys. 1 second. Excellent. Thanks for the subscription, Navid. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, I just posted in the chat. It's pinned at the top. That's our free Telegram link. Get in there, guys. Dave and I show the trades we take when we trade live. So and there's some good information in there, guys. So, but look, guys, look at on gold. Okay, so we're still maintaining this area. Like we're still maintaining. Okay, it's good. But all we need is see my RSI, guys. If you can see it, we're above 50. But the previous resistance on our strength was right here, 55 here. If we can break above here, then that's the momentum we need so we can break out of here, okay? We will not break out of here if we can't get any strength. We need some buyers on gold to come in here, okay? Maybe we'll get it with this continuation candle right now, okay? Let's watch this, okay? So see how it opens right here? They gapped it down. See where the close is? Right here? They gapped it down. Could be some liquidity grabbing down there, and what they're doing is now they're pushing it up. We have to clear this red body candle and these wicks, and gold can move. Holy shit, it's tough tonight. And then now you see it turns into a shooting star. It comes up and then wow, man. Gold is choppy. Chop city, guys, okay? Let's go back to US30. Oh man, US30 is breaking out, guys. Real nice, okay? Look at the reversal, okay? Now you have this bullish candle engulf this. Price action got to the 200A. You can see now we're right at it. We could come right back up to this level, 35,258, okay? Now you got some strength going above 50 here, okay? Is anybody in the US30 buy now on the reversal? Let me know. But to be honest, US30 is moving really nice. Okay, as coming from a scalper, if you see candle bodies looking like this is a scalper's paradise. Okay, we love candles like this. Okay, and then I show you gold's chart, and then you're like, what the hell is this? Okay, so look at when be selective, guys, with what you're trading. Don't just always just sit on gold because it's gold. I know we love to trade gold, but if you see this chop, do not trade this. Just identify your zones. I know that we could get into a buy up here at 1733.40 when we break up there, or we could get into a sell down here, okay? I have the zones, but this stuff, you cannot trade this. It's impossible to trade that stuff. US30, you can easily trade this stuff. This chart looks good. I'll do German 30 for all the Europeans out there. Look at this. German 30 is the exact same chart as US 30. Exact same chart. Look, we broke below the 208, came down, nice pip grab. Below 30, look at the RSI, came down to 18 on the 5 minutes, and look at it now, okay? So, guys, this is German 30 and US. I think London sessions, guys, when we do these, we'll start off with just indices. We'll do US 30 and German 30. Gold is in London, it's not cooperating the last couple nights. Gold is gearing up, it's coiling up for the CPI news tomorrow. Yeah, guys. See, I just started trading the German 30 now. Some people they introduced it to me. I never traded that indice, but it looks. Look at this. It's identical to the US 30. It's like I'm looking at the same charts. Look at that. So, guys, we can grab double the pips tomorrow night in London. We're gonna focus on German 30 and US 30. We'll take a look at gold, but I'm not gonna waste time on this. This is too much bullshit. Okay, right here's my stop loss, guys, on my runner. Okay, I cashed out $100 when it went up there. It was 10 pips. Okay, I'm not greedy, guys. I'm not greedy at all. When I'm scalping, I look for 5, 10 pips. Okay, if it breaks out, yeah, I'll collect more. But I got used to trading 5 lots. So when you make 10 pips on a 5 lot, that's 500 US dollars. So I just got really disciplined with grabbing 10 pips all day. 10 pips, 10 pips. If I get those breakouts for 20, 30, 50 pips, yeah, I'm loving it. But I see the way how gold is trading, guys. So that's why I tell you guys, when it comes up here, it's not breaking, scale out, okay? Don't. And then I just left a little runner. Right here is my running stop loss, okay? Just a small one. Yeah, I'm still in the trade. It's unbelievable how we're still holding. Malik, what's up, bro? The Albanian brother, the Albanian Brotherhood. Okay, guys, let's do a currency pair. In the chat, guys, which currency pair do you guys want to see? Throw it in there, whatever you guys want, and then I'll chart it and we'll trade it. What do you guys want to see tonight? Yeah, Aswash. I'm Albanian, bro. I'm Albanian. Yep. Okay, I got GJ, Euro USD, GJ. Oh, UCAD. I hate UCAD. I'm Canadian, bro, and I hate UCAD. Um, okay, I see a lot of GJs, guys. It could be GJ for the win. Okay, let's give the people what they want. They want GJ. Let's show them GJ, okay? Okay, here's our GJ. Oh man, like look at this, guys. This is disgusting. Like you see what I mean? This is too difficult to trade this stuff, okay? So now what we got to do is we just got to look for zones, okay? Cuz this is impossible to trade. Look at all these spin top candles, okay? It's all just wicks. But let's identify zones up here, okay? So number 1, if we can break above here, yes, we're going to look for a nice buy up here, okay? It's trying to get up here, okay? Okay, so if we can break up, this was where we were trading it last night. But if it can break above here, guys, 153, 133, here's hourly resistance, 153, 163, and then we could come up to here, okay? Right up here, and right up here. GJ is very volatile currency pair. You guys love this. I love trading GBPUSD is my favorite pair. Okay, so guys, all this chop, I am not even looking at this stuff, okay? But what I do is I box this in, okay? This is the stock sniper trap and gap strategy, okay? Box this in and be patient, okay? What we're looking for on your GJ is we will look for a buy up here with confirmation, guys, with confirmation. We don't want to get faked out and shaked out. We want confirmation, okay? And then we could possibly pull up to here, okay? So we're looking for a buy up there. What I mean, guys, by a, you guys know, we're looking for a move coming up and we need volume to close up there. If we get volume to close up there, that's number 1, volume close up there. Then we're looking for a pullback and a retest here in this accumulation distribution zone, but more importantly at this level, 153, 134. That's a nice support level. If we get there, then we could look for a nice bullish candle, pushing up in next zone, pull back, and then continue looking something like this, okay? But and then on the sell side, if we start to go down bearish now, if it pulls down, then what we could be looking for is a sell opportunity. We could look for, if it gets rejected, we're going to look for, with confirmation, a sell down here, okay? And to come back down to this 200A right here like this. And then what we're looking for on the bearish direction is a breakdown here. Guys, some nights London is it's a tough session. Okay, it's a tough session. Um, okay, so that's kind of what we're looking for GJ, guys. Okay, so this is kind of like a trade idea, and I'll put the right here so you guys can see. Right there, that would be like a buy signal, and then a sell signal we're looking for down here. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Do you guys understand when when Dave and I chart like this? This is a consolidation area. It's a no trade zone, okay? I'll even write in that box it's no trade zone. Okay, so this is a no trade zone. What we're looking for is we're looking for the momentum, the candles to break above here, because we got to get above all of this shitty consolidation. we need price action get above that. Or it could break down below and then it pull back. This could be just a pullback, and now see how it's coming down as a bear shooting star now? Okay, so how much do we have left? This is a new candle now, 5 minutes, okay? So now, see how this candle shooting star came down, the body closed below. This is a retest candle right now, okay? So it's testing up here. If this thing starts getting rejected, we could start coming down. But see how it retested, and it's not getting rejected yet. So we are not taking a sell yet, okay? This is what a retest candle is, okay? So that's why we're not looking for a sell, because it's going bullish, okay? It gave us no indication for a sell yet. Oliver, thanks for the subscription. Appreciate it. Zalo, thank you for the subscribe. We appreciate it, guys. Roy, what's going on, bro? Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Okay, guys. So that's GJ. Again, no, I don't take any trades in here. I only take trades above and below. Okay. Now look at the retest. See how it got rejected? Okay. Now look at. And guys, tomorrow's webinar for the snipers, it's going to be a good one, so don't miss it. It's going to be at noon. It's going to be about flag patterns, and this is the stuff that I'm talking about right now in London. So make sure you guys join the webinar tomorrow. We're going to do it from 12 p.m. noon Eastern time till 2 p.m. So it's going to be a good one. If you guys miss it and you can't make it, it will be recorded and it will be uploaded on the website for you guys. Okay, but it's going to be a good one. It's going to be about continuation patterns. It's going to be all about flag patterns. Okay, so it's going to be a good one, guys. And then you'll understand a little bit more how Dave and I trade when we're trading live. It will make a little bit more sense to you guys. Okay. And guys, if you want to join the mentorship team, like we love all of you guys on YouTube. Believe me, we do. We do this. We're streaming 2-3 times a day, providing you guys with free Forex education. We're showing you where we're taking live trades as well. You guys can see in the FX group, I took a trade. We're full transparent traders. We'll even show our losses in there and everything. But if you do want to take your trading to the next level, where you can be part of the private Zoom calls, the private webinars, the tutorials, the courses we have, the private chat room is amazing. What a group of people we have in there. It's growing so fast. I can't even believe how the growth of it. But for $1 a day, for $29.99, there's so much value you guys get in there. And if you guys have questions about funding, talent, FTMO, prop firms, we have a lot of our members who are going through it. They're in phase 1, phase 2. We have members that have passed. We have members with elite accounts, and we have members that are cashing out money. So they can guide and help you throughout your journey if you want to do it with prop firms. So it's a great community, guys. Even our YouTube community, all of you guys, okay? If you guys are getting value out of all of these calls that Dave and I do, just please, guys, all we ask in return is just a like and a subscribe, and maybe share it with your friends to help grow the channel. Dave and I will really appreciate that, okay? We're working hard for you guys. Like, if you guys know me and Dave, we don't sleep. Maybe 2-3 hours max a day. Like, we're hustlers. We're grinders. We don't stop. Say less, say no more, fam. Say no more. Okay, guys, but look at GJ now. Okay, so GJ is getting interesting now. It's coming out of this no trade zone. So number one, what do we need, guys? We need volume to close above here. Okay, because I don't want this just to be a green bullish candle come back up here like it did here, here, and here, and then it just gets rejected and comes back down. Okay, then that's going to be a fake out candle. What we're looking for is body to close above this area, 153, 137. Then you can look for a retest and continue in that bullish direction. Okay. US30, okay, it's making its way up. Okay, got up here. Now it's got resistance right here. Okay. Gold. What's gold doing? Okay, gold is dipping, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is gold is dipping, guys. Wow. Okay, so see how it reversed out of the box, guys. Okay, look at this. Okay, oh man, I hate talking, guys. Because look at what happened here, okay? Okay, so we broke, look at the candle. The body closed below the consolidation box. This is a retest candle. See how it came up, retested, and went down. You could take a sell here, and it came down, and it closed with a bearish body, spin top. Next candle here, a second retest. See the wick come up, again, get rejected, and then we have a nice big bearish body coming down. Now we have a downtrend. It's got a lower lows and lower highs now, okay? So this thing could push down further. Gold could push down further. Guys, I never got into this sell. Unfortunately, I was looking at that GJ. But if you guys are in this, I will chart it for you guys all the way down. Let me know if you guys are in this. Hassan, do I know Zlatan? No, I know Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the soccer player, but I don't know what Zlatan you're talking about. But Ocean Joy, thank you, bro. We appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the comments, guys. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. Sometimes we get one troll in the chat, but we take care of the trolls. Guys, do you want to see another currency pair for all of the funding talent guys out there? Because I know you guys can't trade gold and indices, and I feel bad for you guys. What other pair do you guys want to see? Let me know. NAS100. You guys want to see NAS? Okay. Okay, we'll do NAS100, guys. It's right at that psychological 15,000. Okay, look at Nasdaq. Wow, breaking down. Okay, so number one, man, we missed a lot of trades tonight, guys. We missed a lot of trades. That's why, guys. If you can set up your charts the way how Dave and I set them up, and you guys give us a heads up when they're about to break down, Dave and I can come to the charts and we will scalp the shit out of these with you guys. Okay, right here, guys. Look at this breakdown. If we had this charted with you guys, this was an easy sell. I could have got my son down here, that's 10 years old, and he could have took over here and he would have taken the sell for you guys. Number one, price action is below the 200-day. Look at here. Now we pull down, okay, there's a support level. Nasdaq. Wow, this is the indices are amazing tonight for London session. This is what we're going to do tomorrow, guys. We're going to stick with indices and currencies. Gold the last 2 days has been shit. So look here. It comes down, breaks here. Again, in this consolidation box, we come up. There's our shooting star candle. Everything stays below our trend line. Yeah, we have some fake out candles, but now we start getting the momentum. See this bearish candle come down? Clean here. Here, take this. Look left, guys. We have nothing here. This is nothing but profits. Guys, tomorrow we're going to have a proper London session, okay? I promise you. We slacked a little bit with that gold at the beginning of the call. Okay, look at this. Wow, this was unbelievable, okay, guys? You know the way how I set up my charts, okay? I know it's after the fact, but I want to show you guys how my psychology is when I'm setting up my charts. You know that I use a consolidation box, and I always look for buys and sells above and below. So if I was getting in on the sell, I 100% would have been hammering this down, okay? I place my stop loss up here, okay? Everyone asks, where do you place your stop loss? I place it up here, okay? The reason why I'm placing it up there is because I'm above this consolidation box and I'm close to the 200-day. So if there is a big breakout, yeah, I'll get out safe and then I'll look for another trade. But I feel safe up here. When I get in this trade, I have absolutely no emotion. I'm confident in the trade, and now I'm just watching the momentum come down, and then you could have profited all the way down there, okay? I know it's after the fact, guys, but I just want to show you guys the charts, okay? Because this is how I trade. Just so you guys get, look at, that's a nice 30 pip move, okay? So that's a beautiful 30 pip move. It pulls back. Look at where it pulls back. It makes now a lower high right here, and now it's coming down again. If it breaks this wick right here, 14,986, okay? If it breaks right here, guys, then look at, wow, see how this was August 10, man. Wow, so okay, Nasdaq is dumping here, okay? Futures are red. Markets are red tonight. And then we're going to look back here, okay? Um, but yeah, NASDAQ, wow. Nice moves on the indices tonight, guys. Real Brian, good question, bro. How do I determine the parameters of the no trade zone? It's just I eyeball consolidation. Okay, I eyeball it. It's something that it takes time to do. Like I'm scalping the markets all day, every day for 20 years. So after a while, you start to look. But what you're looking for is you're looking for candlesticks with volume which are the same size. Okay, and then you're looking for barcode action. If you guys don't understand what barcode action is, it's you're looking for them to look like they're sideways trading. Okay, I'll try and find you some areas. Okay, like right here. Okay, see this is the US30. See all of this? That's a perfect box right here. Okay, you could just identify that like this, and then you're looking for the breakout, retest, breakout, and there it goes. Okay, same with if you drag this across. Look at if I come over here, it's the same thing, and then there's our breakdown, and this forms a head and shoulder pattern. That's why I really like this. This is the left shoulder, here's your head, right shoulder, there's your breakdown. Okay, so very simple. It's easy to do. It's good for beginners that are getting into trading, because it teaches you patience and discipline. Guys, GJ is moving. Let me take a look. Okay, so GJ is breaking down. Okay, so look what happened with GJ. It moved up. Okay, guys, that's why we do not take trades. Like with no volume closed up there, and now it got a rejection wick, bearish engulfing candle, took out this green one, and now we're below here. Okay, so all we need now is volume to break 153.078. Okay, if that candle comes down, this is a take profit area, 153.066. Next take profit is 153.037, and then if we break below the 200A, we have hourly support down here at 152.995. Okay, so all we got to do is just we got to maintain below here. We got to stay below this level. Okay, and GJ can be bearish. I didn't take a trade on GJ. I'm telling you guys the truth. I don't like this pair. I do not like it. My favorite currency pair is this one, GBPUSD. Okay, yeah, the candles are a lot cleaner. I've been trading this one for a long time. GJ, I just find it too volatile. Like as a scalper, when you see all of these long-legged doji candles with these upper and lower wicks, it's very difficult to scalp. Okay, because there's a lot of head fakes. You want to find pairs that don't have head fakes. Okay, you got to understand that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just flip to gold. Okay, so gold is breaking down, guys. Okay, see how we walked it out of this consolidation box? We have, look at all these retests. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 retests. This was a green candle come up, green candle come up, green candle come up. Buyers tried to get it back up here, but now you can see that there's order flow up here. Market makers have set more supply up here. So every time buyers of gold try to get it up to here, 1732.50, there's a lot of sell orders, and that's why it's getting rejected. We have a shooting star candle. All this shooting star candle has to do is with momentum come down, engulf this green candle, and we're coming down to here, 1730.79 and possibly 1730. Okay. I'm trying to look for trades for you guys, man. US30. Wow, this thing is going to continue to go up to here. This is a daily resistance right here, 35,259. This yellow number. Okay. For everybody that was in the sell, you guys did really well with that sell, but always, guys, always look to cash out, because look, it could reverse and come right back up to where you bought, and this was a big move, guys. Okay, so do not get greedy, guys, in these markets. Okay, Don't get greedy. We tell you this all the time, guys. Every single trade we get in, we tell you guys always secure profits, always, okay? Because these trades could reverse real quick, okay? And come right back. I know we want to cold long and we want to catch those runners that go 50, 100, 150, 200 pips, but at the end of the day, if you just get in and out, in and out, in and out, 10, 20 pips, 10, 20 pips, 10, 20 pips, they will add up to your 100 pips per day, okay? Believe me, we've tried every single strategy there is. We have tried every single strategy. The one that works the best and the one that will start to grow your trading account and compound pips is if you get into a trade and it goes nice, it moves more than 10 pips, 10, 20, 30 pips, scale out 70, 80% of those profits, leave a small runner, maybe 20 or 30% of it, with a break-even stop loss. And you've already banked money and you have a runner. If it continues to go in your direction, you will make more pips. That is one of the best strategies I've used, and I've just seen my account, the growth of my account grow. A-Rod, gold going to bust and CPA dollar looked like a nice double top for the dollar drop. Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Okay, so you see how now like the US30 is starting to trade sideways a little bit. So what we could do with this is we could box the US30 in like this. Okay, if we're not in a trade, we could box this in. Okay, and then what I'm looking for is a nice momentum push up here for a buy, and then I'm looking for bearish momentum coming down here for a sell. Okay, and then this is a key level right here. This is a key level. That was our key level from before. Okay, this is 35,225. See, same with GBPUSD. Okay, so I can chart this one real quick. Here's a support. Here's a resistance we have right now. Okay, these are just fake outs, fake outs, fake outs. Okay, so this is GBPUSD. This is for all of you guys that want currency pairs. Normally we're trading always gold and indices, but we're going to start to introduce you guys. You guys want the currency pairs? We give you the currency pairs. Okay, so now look at, do we see anything? Okay, so I see a little bit of an uptrend. Okay, could be breaking right now. But if we do look up here, we're going to look for buys up here with some confirmation. Okay, just like we did on the other pairs. Okay, and then if it breaks, it could break the trend line right here and come down bearish. Okay, and then that could give us a trend break and some bearish momentum. Okay, but again, the inside of that consolidation box right here, no trade zone. It's all consolidating. So what we're looking for is break up. Man, sometimes I hate when TradingView does this, when you touch it and it doesn't click. Okay, down, up, okay? Very simple, guys. This is basic trapping gap strategy, okay? Very basic. But it works. It works. Guys, you could scalp the markets all day, all night. It's whoever's patient, okay? Whoever's more patient, they'll make more money. The impatient traders, you're not going to make money. You're going to get faked out and shaked out by a volatile market all day. Okay? You guys need the numbers, but this is a trade idea. Okay? This is a trade idea. And then what you're waiting for is not just an impulse candle. You're waiting for the proper candle with the retest confirmation. Okay? Right here. 138.228 for buy area and 138.20 for sell area. Okay, so that's GU, okay? GBPUSD. Okay, so what are we looking at? So, wow, like look at the German 30. Same move like the US 30. Man, we could double up on these pairs tomorrow, okay? Nasdaq is right here coming at the bottom. I think it's going to come back up, reverse back up, but we'll watch that one. Gold. Okay, gold is starting to come back into this box again, okay? So we could be looking again for a buy on gold, okay? But it's got to come above here. Like I will take this with me the entire night, okay? This box. Hey Rod, are you Vietnamese because your screen name shows up Vietnamese? No, bro, I'm not Vietnamese. Do I look Vietnamese to you? Oh, the the most recent sub. Oh no, that's the latest subscriber, Lin Win. That's the latest subscriber. Thank you, bro. No, that's not my name. That's the latest subscriber. Yeah, guys. So if you guys are wondering what that name is above there, that's the subscriber. We give a shout out to the subscriber. Okay, look at this, guys. Okay, so US 30. It's coming. See, now it's coming out of this consolidation box. So let me show you guys. Okay, so see how it's coming out now. This is the impulse candle, okay? A lot of traders love to hop on it right away as soon as it's breaking out. You could get a nice big green bullish candle coming out, but that's all it comes with the game, okay? You got to understand that maybe you're going to get a nice bullish candle breaking out. Sometimes you're going to get a fake out, okay? So if you do like to take these impulse candles, I take them too. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I take them all the time, but I go in with a smaller lot size as a feeler, and then if it continues to come down, maybe with a retest and then with confirmation, then I will increase my lot size like my normal lot size, okay? So it's if you do take impulse candles, just use a smaller lot size, guys, okay? Because it's a feeler trade. We're feeling it out, okay? Gold. Yeah, gold is coming up to this zone again, okay? So gold similar to the US 30. We need it to break out again. Remember here, we did not break out. So this is a key area, guys, okay? Right here. We need a breakout. 1733.50. Alex, for GBPUSD, if it closes here, would I short it? Let me see. GBPUSD. Okay, so I got a minute 30. This is the impulse candle breaking down. Let's watch where the volume will close, and then we could get a confirmation, and maybe we could sell this. Yeah, and the RSI is below 50. I like this. I like that. I like GU for shorting it. Okay, so this is the impulse candle, guys. Like, and if you guys are happy with 5 pips, like you on these impulse breaks, sometimes you can grab 5 pips all day. Okay, and some guys that are trading with higher lot sizes, they love 5 pips. Okay, they love them because 5 pips with a big lot size is good money. It's good money. So, but as new traders, you do not want to just learn to take impulse trades unless you know how to scale out fast, because it could go down 5 pips and come right back up on one wick flip. Okay, so it's going to close in 30 seconds, GU. But do you see how it's breaking down right out of this consolidation box? When we see candles like this, we do not trade them. Look, if I extend this to the left, same thing. See these candles? They were inside here. There's the breakdown. Okay, see how they broke down? Right out of that box. Same thing. Now this is an accumulation distribution area, and now we have a candle breaking down out of it again. So if we have momentum come down to here, 138, 137 on GU, this thing is going to drop. Okay. Okay, so now we have a close. This is a retest candle. Okay, I'm going to stay with this so I can show you guys what a retest candle is. Okay, see how it's opened green? So what we're looking for is, we were looking for it to come up. It didn't come up. See how now sellers are trying to push it down aggressively. It's a continuation candle right off the close, open, and now it could be dropping. Buyers are trying to push it up. Okay, we have a wick right there. Okay, so far it's holding resistance right there. Buyers cannot get it above here. Okay, so this is a retest candle. If we can hold here and we break below there, okay, so now it just made a new low. Now we just need some momentum to push this down now. Okay, and then guys, if you do take these trades, place a stop loss above the box. Okay, because this is the consolidation box. If you place your stop loss up here, you're safe. If you have a wick like right here, maybe just place it above that previous wick, and then you're good. And then allow the play to develop down here. Okay, there's going to be pullbacks. You might see a green candle come up to here, and then it get rejected, come back down. It might pull back again, but then when we get that nice bearish engulfing candle, then it will break down. Okay, got to understand, we're not just going to get candles that just go straight down. Okay, sometimes you got to identify and learn what a pullback is. Okay, so would I take the trade now, or would you wait to break 138.14? 138.14, 138.14. 138.14 is all the way down here. No, 138.14, this is like a take profit area, bro. Okay, so let me just go on the higher time frame, guys. I'm just going to go on the 15 minutes on GU. Okay, so look at the 15-minute candle. This candle is going to close in 3 minutes. Look how bearish our 15-minute candle is. This is GU. Guys, flip to your 15-minute candle for extra confirmation. Look at this. It's coming down bearish. It just broke previous 15-minute support. All we have is this spin top candle on GU. And look at it. It could come down real heavy here, okay? So look at this is a 15-minute candle, guys. Okay, very bearish, bottom heavy. If I go to my 30-minute candle, 30-minute candle, look at this. Here's the 30, bearish engulfed. Look at it dropping, guys. Okay, I go to my 5-minute candles, there it goes down. Okay, see, guys, just because we scalp 5-minute candles, I always check 15, 30-minute candles because I like to see higher time frame momentum. Okay, but what we need out of this is step by step. We need this volume to close below here. If we can close below this line, 138, 167, we keep this volume below us, and then we have that 30-minute and 15-minute bearish engulfing candles coming down, then we could possibly come down to here. 138, 138, that would be a take profit area, okay? So remember the break was right here, 138, 200, and look at it coming down now, okay? So guys, this is why I love GU. GU is one of my favorite pairs to trade. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, that's a beautiful breakdown. When this thing moves, you can grab nice pips with these moves. The break up here to there. Okay, it's 5 pips. There it goes. Look at it, 7 pips now. Okay, so there it goes to that. Wow, see the breakdown now? Okay, there it goes. Look at this, guys. Okay, so let me know if you guys took this. Wow. Okay, beautiful. So now let's go to that 1 hour candle on GU. Look at 1 hour candle, guys. This is a free fall. Look at how bearish this is. Everything beautiful for sell. Yeah, see how easy it is, guys? It's not that complicated. It just takes patience. See how I trap these candles in? We get bearish momentum. I look at my 15, my 30, everything is coming down. Look at it dropping, guys. You want to grow those your trading accounts? Join the sniper team, guys. We'll teach you all of this stuff. Okay, look at this. And then now if I flip to GBPJPY, look at it, same thing. Look at this, everything coming down. Okay, that was my no trade zone. Volume closed below, here it comes down. Look at everything, guys. If you guys are in the GJ cell, GU cell, look at it. Everything coming down. There was possible news on the British pound that caused this, okay? Maybe there was news that came out that the British pound is really weak right now. Oh, nice. Jeff caught GJ on the drop. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. Okay? Good, good, good. Okay? But guys, again, remember, RSI, I'm not an RSI 30 trader, but there is RSI 30 traders. They could be buying the bottom down here. So there could be a there could be a reversal coming. Just keep that in mind, guys. Secure some profits because this thing could wrap around a little bit, okay? But look, it wants to break even further, okay? So I have nothing to look at on 5-minute candles for next take profits. I got to come down to here, 15-minute candles. Look, we haven't been down here in a long time. This is right where we're at. Follow this white line right here. Look at where I'm coming now to check for take profits. Look over here, okay? So see the white line where we're at? Now next take profit will be this area, okay? This wick. 138.005, okay? Next one will be here. What's the date of this? July 27, guys. GBPUSD has not been this low since July 27, okay? Thanks for the subscription, NGT. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. You guys are the best. Okay? So see what I have now? I got all the take profits now, okay? So if it breaks here on the 15-minute candle, remember, this is a new 15-minute candle. It just opened up. It can come down to here, okay? Easily. 138.05, okay? You can grab another 5 pips. And that's 15-minute break, okay? So these are 5-minute candles. There we go. That was a beautiful sell scalp right there. GJ, same thing, okay? US30 broke out of the box, but a bearish candle coming down, okay? So it's retesting this level here, okay? Guys, we're going to go about 15 more minutes. We started this call 3:15 till 5. And then I'm going to go to sleep a little bit because I'm going to get up for 9 o'clock because I'm going to do the New York session. I'm going to give big man Dave a little bit of a break. And because he went from 9 till 1 a.m. He went 4 hours tonight on Tokyo. So, guys, Dave and I, we want to collect you guys all the pips, and we just want you guys to join the team, guys. So like these videos, it keeps Dave and I, we want to trend, okay? This is, when you get us trending, guys, we stay longer. We'll scalp longer with you guys. So just subscribe to the channel if you're new here. You see what we do. If you guys like what we do, we educate, we take trades. You guys are welcome to ask for any questions. We'll answer questions. If you guys have pairs, we'll try our best to check out all pairs that you guys want. Guys, it's just a great community. The Sniper team is amazing. It's growing so fast. And if you sign up now with the team, you're grandfathered in for $29.99 a month. We're going to extend it. We had it for the first 100 members, but it's been growing so fast that we're going to extend it a little longer, okay? We really want you guys to take advantage of it. And for $1 a day, there's a lot of value you guys get in it. But yeah, GU, okay, look at GU breaking down, okay, so it just broke 138.09. It can easily come down to here, 138.056, okay, even it's coming down with the RSI at 30, okay, just to show you that don't always just buy just because RSI hits 30, okay. If you do that with gold, you will get your account blown up, okay. Gold does not care about your RSI. When it's going bullish, if that thing wants to go 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, it does not care. It might be one tiny 3-pip pullback and that thing will continue flying. Amal, what can I say about gold? What can I say about gold? Gold it's in the consolidation box. Extend this out, guys. If you guys are going to continue trading, just continue this box. You will get a move, okay? Unfortunately, I'm not going to stay up with you guys for it. I got to sleep a little bit, but look at it. It could be forming an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, here's your left shoulder. Here's your head. This is forming the right shoulder. All you need is this. I see a trend line from here, I'll even help you guys out with this charting. Okay, see this? You have a trend line right there. Now all you're looking for is the ascending trend break. Right now, we could get a break right now in gold, okay? Again, it's at my RSI that I need to break above, this 57, okay? This could be a really nice buy situation on gold right here. Guys, I think gold can push up tonight, okay? I think gold I think gold is going to retest this 1735 tonight, okay? It has the momentum. It could possibly come back and retrace back up there, okay? This is going to be a big break. If we can get it right here, right here, guys, this is going to be a nice one. I'm going to look for maybe a possible buy here, guys. Okay, how much time do we have left on this candle? This candle just opened. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds left on it. So this could be an impulse break coming up here, guys, but I'm not entering until I see some volume close up there, okay? So allow it to play out. Usman, can I say about Polygon Matic? I don't even know what that is, bro. No clue. No clue. No clue. What's the take profit for GU? 1 second, Zhao, 1 second. GU take profit. I would grab a little bit. I would grab from here, okay? Yeah, don't get greedy here because this is going to start to pull up. It's going to possibly come back up to here, 138, 137. I would scale out a little bit depending where you got in the trade. If you're in at 130, 138.20, okay, secure. If you're up 10 pips, secure a certain percentage because this is going to wrap around. This is going to come up. Same with GJ, guys. Same with GJ. See how it's going bullish right now? It's coming right back up, guys. Always secure profits, especially when you got 10 pips on a quick scalp. Always secure them, okay? Alex, good question, bro. Alex, consolidation boxes are from high and low of the candle, not wicks. It's all personal preference, brother. It's all personal preference. You can place them at the bodies, and then the wicks will just be impulse breaks, or you can box the entire wick and body. It's all personal preference, okay? It's if you get the bodies, you're getting the entire volume. If you get the bodies with the wicks, then you're getting the entire high, low, and the close. You're getting the entire candles. But like see here where I boxed it in. I didn't get I didn't want to make my box too big because then if you start making it big, then you'll be waiting. But that's a safe play, okay? It depends if you want to place it like that because some people sometimes I place it like this. I'm just right at the bodies, okay? But then you might get faked out quite a bit by doing that. So the safe play is box everything in, like right there to that, even that top wick. And you're not going to take any trades until you get a break above that top wick, okay? I watch how price action moves, and I know that these are just fake outs. But then when I get a nice body fill, then I know that we can fill that, and then we could continue going up. But good question, bro. Like you guys are asking good questions tonight. I know that you guys are learning, so I can tell, guys. Good questions. Gold is flying. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's moving up. It's moving up. It's not flying yet. It's not flying. It's moving up from the bottom, but we're still got to break out of here because sellers could come right here and hammer this right back down. Okay, we got to get some volume, guys. We got to get that volume. Finally, the strength is breaking above 57, so we are getting stronger, which means that we're increasing in momentum. More buyers are coming into the market. Take a look at your 15-minute candle always, guys. Just because we scalp 5-minute candles, I always check my 15-minute candles, okay? Look at your 15-minute candle now. So now you have the 15-minute candle breaking out of the consolidation box, okay? So you see that our 15 is getting strength. So then our 5 minutes should be starting to move. See how our 5 minutes are moving now? Now we should see a nice little pop up here coming up. Okay. Yeah, now gold looks good. Okay. Wow, but see how quickly they fake it out real quick. Okay, see that? That's why no trades, guys, are taken, because no volume close. See how it came up, but then boom, they hammer it down. Guys, patience, patience, patience. When you learn patience, you guys will be scalping the markets like crazy. Trung, there you go. That's a fake out. It's a fake shakeout, okay? They bring it up bullish. They want to get retail traders excited that it's going to start to break, and then all retail traders hit a buy, and then boom, they wick it out with a shooting star candle, and then they'll probably drop it now, okay? So I don't I used to trade all those types of candles, and then I learned my lesson. So I've learned my lesson where it's better to be patient. Even now, see this candle? It's nice and bullish, but now we got it like a retest. Okay, they brought it down, but now we have nice momentum. Now could be a nice buy right here. Okay, they brought it down, but we have now strong buyers coming in. As soon as it breaks above this candle, it's gone. Okay, that's like how you want to trade these things. Do I place a buy or sell stop to some? Me personally, Arod, I don't use those. Okay, I'll be honest with you. I trade the price action, because if I put a buy stop up there, if you get wicked out, you're in that trade, and then boom, it comes down. I like to every time I'm trading, I'm scalping, I'm watching it live, so I don't need to use buy stops or sell stops. But that's just me personally. But good question. Should you enter this buy yet? No, 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 no. Don't enter the buy yet on gold until we get volume close up here. Look, still we haven't had any volume close. This candle is still live. Okay, there's still lots of time on it. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. They could push it down just as right now. Okay, so just be patient, guys. Okay. Let the candle close. Once the candle closes with volume, because then there's a lot of 5 minute retest traders out there in this world that are waiting for the same thing I'm waiting for. And then when it closes, then we're all entering into a buy. Okay. See how it's getting pushed down again? That's why we're not taking buys yet. Okay. Yeah, Joe, you got it. Wait for more volume, bro. Okay. But good call, guys, tonight. Tonight's call was more education, okay? I appreciate you guys. Good education tonight, okay? Because you guys got to learn how to trade choppy, shitty sessions. It will make you guys that much better of traders. And then when you trade New York and like Tokyo with Dave today, it was just beautiful moves. But we had nice moves today too. Don't get me wrong. When this call started, US30 was you guys were already in the sell. I didn't get in, but then the sell was beautiful. The reversal was nice. GBPUSD was a beautiful sell. It's just hanging around the bottom now. GJ, we had a nice sell right there, guys. But hopefully you guys are starting to understand like this trap and gap strategy. And if you guys join the sniper team, guys, we really in our webinars we enforce this. We really break it down. Tomorrow, guys, to the snipers, I know you guys are on the call. We're going to be doing a good one at noon. Okay, it's going to be on flag patterns. Okay, continuation patterns, which is going to be really good for us tomorrow. And then, guys, I'll be back at 9 a.m. to do New York session. I'm just going to go sleep for about 3.5 hours, catch a little sleep, and we'll be back to scalp the markets New York, guys. We got some red folder news tomorrow, some CPI, so we'll see what goes on, guys. Do you guys have any last minute questions before I head out? Let me know. And guys, just real quick, just to show you guys the website, just if you guys are interested in signing up, visit stocksnipertrading.com. This is our website. It's a clean website. Me and Dave, we made this website. We're pretty happy about it. These are latest blogs, guys. If you want to get these blogs, we send these out. This was last night. This was learn how we caught 55 pips on gold last night. This was last night's. This was the start of London session, the consolidation. We waited 90 minutes. You know how patient we were? And this was 4:30 a.m. We caught this. We all got into a sell for 55 pips. So this is like kind of like recaps of our trades that we take. and it shows like commissions, MT4 tickets, all of that. Good education. And if you want to join there, there's me and Dave. There's me. There's Big Dave, avatars. And then if you guys want to join us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of that shit, all that social stuff. Dave's the social guy. I'm not the social media guy. And right here, just drop your email in here, guys. Join, and then it's a daily blog that you get. It's good stuff. Here's our daily blog. We do not spam you guys. It's all educational, good, free content, guys. This will really help you with your education, learning. And then if you guys want to join the team, this is our back end. This is like all of our courses, tutorials. You learn everything, all individual candlesticks, support and resistance, chart patterns, technical indicators, strategies, everything. And in our webinars, we have our webinars on here. We record them if you guys miss them, and they're all on here for you guys to view. So join the newsletter, guys. If you want to join the sniper team, we would love to have you on the team. It's growing so fast right now. It's only $1 a day, $29.99 a month. We would love to have you on the team, guys. We're a very, very fast growing community, and we have big plans, guys. Dave and I have some plans that we're going to announce soon. But I don't want to release it yet. So until everything is finalized, but we're doing some good things for around the world. We're helping out a lot of needy, less fortunate. So things are going good for us, and I appreciate all of you guys on this call. 89 of you guys. Thank you so much. This is why we do this. We do this without any sleep to help you guys out with your education. If we make some pips on the call, that's even better. But mainly, we want you guys to learn. We want you guys to learn how to trade the Forex markets, guys, because it's a financial skill, financial education that can change your lives. It's changed our lives. I'm sure it can change your lives, okay? And it's not that complicated to do. It just takes patience. It takes discipline. It takes practice. Nobody said trading is easy, okay? It's very difficult. That's why 95% of traders fail, guys. They fail because they don't have proper guidance. They don't have a mentor, anyone that can show them that's been through everything. We've been through it all, so believe me, we don't want you guys to make those mistakes. Over leveraging your accounts, guys. It's not about being flexing your muscles, okay? It's not about who can trade with 5 lots, 10 lots, 20 lots. That doesn't mean anything. It's even if you trade with a nano, micro lots, or even a demo account. Everybody starts somewhere, okay? There's just learn how to collect pips. Don't worry about what lot size and things about getting rich, because there's no get rich quick in trading, okay? It takes time, guys. It takes time to learn this. It's a skill. It's a craft, guys, okay? Yeah, I don't understand. Forever who's posting in the chat, I don't know what that is, the language. But US30, guys, okay, I'm going to wrap it up. But if you guys are continuing to sell, US30 is breaking out. Gold is starting to break out too, guys. So look at gold. It's starting to break out. Let me just get rid of this thing. Gold is coming up, okay? So gold, if you guys are in a buy, look for this will be take profit up here. I wanted this one last time, right up here, 134.30. And guys, if gold continues to move right into this area, this is where you guys were with Dave. This was that massive move up here. Oh, this big W pattern breakout, guys. Learn what a W pattern is, guys, right here. Look at this thing, how clean it looks. Leg 1, down, support. Leg 2, this is the neckline. Leg 3, normally we would have a double bottom right here, but this one came back down, picked up more liquidity. Look at the buyers right there, that bullish candle, picked up more liquidity, gave it the momentum to come up here. As soon as it broke this neckline, look at it go, guys, okay? So we're going to go over all of these patterns with the snipers and teach them. This is good stuff, guys, when you learn this stuff. And look at it just go up. But right now, with Dave, you got tapped out up here at 1735. We could be coming right back up and break above there, guys. If gold breaks above there, then you're coming to 1737 and possibly 1738, guys, okay? So if you guys are going to continue trading, keep those levels, guys. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to go get a little bit of sleep, and I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. Eastern, okay? Have a nice night, guys, and it was awesome trading with you guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit. take it easy, guys. And thanks for subscribing and thanks for liking, guys. We really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Peace out, everybody.